SCDR design team is responsible for generating ideas and converting them into the authentic form by using their professional skills.
First of all, we receive HMBD from the process department, which describes the equipment sizing. According to the equipment size, we release the GA drawing of equipment and GA 3D layout of the equipment to the client. Sometimes we have to alter a standard equipment layout according to the space availability at client end. So after approval on GA drawings and GA plant layout, we release the foundation drawings to the client.
In any project, equipment cost contribution is the highest. So a cost-effective optimum design is an essential requirement. Basically, we convert the conceptual ideas to final product, which may be new product or the existing one. Improvement in existing product are performed when needed to upgrade them so that product can be made more competitive and reliable.
In the current time, good idea and better concepts are the first priority for the designer. To bring that concept in a real shape, we do use 3D softwares. While designing a new equipment as a concept, we start with 2D sketching in the software like AutoCAD. And for better understanding and visualization, we use 3D softwares like SolidWorks and Inventor for 3D modeling.
The detailed equipment design is carried out by referring to appropriate design codes and standards. While designing, equipment are evaluated based on technical as well as economical aspects. Factors such as material scrap, ease, and cost of application are also considered while designing any product. Apart from it, ease of transportation is another factor which we examine during design and development process. To accomplish these goals, feedback from concerned department is also collected.
After 3D modeling, we do various engineering calculations and perform simulation for the critical part of the equipment. After getting satisfactory result of the simulation, we generate detailed manufacturing drawing with GD&T from the 3D software.
We are always willing to research about competitor products and collaborate with the product development team to make our product best in the market.
Mechanical design include series of engineering calculations which are performed to get desired outcome. Design is further optimized by using simulation with the help of computer software like SolidWorks and Nastran. After finalization, engineering drawings are prepared and submitted to production department after review so that product can be fabricated.
In structure team, we have around 10 team members. We are giving complete steel structure solution for all the divisions. While designing the structure, we are considering all the load conditions for static and dynamic analysis. We have in-house facility to analyze the structure using different softwares like StatPro, SolidWorks and Nastran. We are fabricating all the structure at our premises and design team assisting to PTC and production team. For designing, we are following Indian and American codes. We are always willing to make structure compact and cost effective. We have also designed advanced greenhouse buildings with glass and solar system.
In meantime, we receive the PNID from the process department. According to PID, we start working on its piping and structure layouting in 3D that we do in the plant 3D right now. So after completing the structure and piping work, we discuss that project with the process department, automation department and our project department to minimize the problems that we can face in erection or commissioning. So after approval from those departments, we release the structure drawings, erection drawings and piping drawings.
Design team create, build and test the energy efficient equipment by applying technical approach which help us to retain at the top position in the industry. The end result is a design that aligns with the client's desire, is feasible and cost effective.